Subtract 8.77 from 10.16 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the hundredths column, 6 is less than 7, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tenths column. 1 becomes 0. The 6 in the hundredths column becomes 16. In the hundredths column, 16 minus 7 is 9. In the tenths column, 0 is less than 7, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tens column. 1 becomes 0. Carry the borrow through 1 0. Each cross 0 becomes 9. The 0 in the tenths column becomes 10. In the tenths column, 10 minus 7 is 3. In the ones column, 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down 0 in the tens column. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 1.39.